I'm Max from Germany, actually, traveling all the way here to London. I'm here for two reasons. The first is to network with Microbit and the team there, because we are looking to introduce the Microbit more into Germany. And that's also the reason I was at the session today, which is about Microbit, how to program the Microbit, things from a teacher at an international school. And the second reason is that I love London. I got a recommendation from Amy at the Microbit booth to see this tech user lab yesterday, actually. And I'm very glad I went. Woman who was presenting it did a very good job. She explained the Microbit, the functionalities, how to program it. I felt after that you have a much better overview of how it works. We actually also had some live Microbits on the tables we could play with. That's really great, because you get to meet new people, you get to connect, and you make new friends essentially. Yes, lots of inspiring stuff here.